Hello everyone and welcome to the Eva channel. My name is Marwa, aka Miss English Teacher. Here you can find everything you need to learn English. In today's video, I am teaching you 5 different usages of the verb have.
I have a car.
I'm having trouble.
I have to do this.
I know, it is crazy, but let's look at these 5 sentences and I'm going to teach you how have is different in each of them. 1. I have a phone. 2. I'm having lunch. 3. I have spoken to him. 4. I have to go. 5. You have your windows cleaned. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. First things first, let's look at our first sentence. I have a phone.
I have a phone.
In this case, our verb have is in the simple present, first form, and it means I own a phone. This phone is my phone. I have a phone. So we use have here to express possession.
You have a phone in here? That's right. I have a phone.
When you talk about physical features of a person or a thing, then you can use have to. For example, I have brown hair. This house has a balcony. And remember guys, I, we, you, they have, he, she, it has. Yeah? And the past form, that is the second form, is had. And the third form is also had. And that is going to be useful for us later on in this video.
I had a life before that. I had a job.
Okay, so we use have when we talk about possessions. I have a phone, I have a watch. When we talk about physical appearance, I have hazel eyes, I have brown hair, the house has a balcony, and we use it with illnesses. For example, I have a stomach ache. Oh, I have a headache. Notice, all of these are used in the simple present. We can use have also in the present continuous, but only when we're talking about actions that are happening in that period of time. So for example, if you call me and you say, hey, what are you doing? I'm having lunch. I'm eating lunch. I'm having a shower. I'm taking a shower. Oh, look at that woman. She's having a baby. She's pregnant. And all of these actions are actions that are in progress.
She's having a baby.
3. Have can also be used not as a verb, but an auxiliary verb. That is a verb that helps another verb. I have known her for 5 years. What's my verb here? Good. My verb here is know. What is have? Good. Have here is an auxiliary verb and it's used to create the present perfect. I can say, I have worked as a teacher for 10 years. I have worked because this is something that started in the past and continues to the present. I have worked. And in English, when we use have as an auxiliary, usually it is shortened to I've. Yeah? So you would say, I've known her for 10 years.
And I've known her for years.
4. If we add to have, then it means must.
You have to be sure.
I have to work equals I must work. Now, one thing you should know about have to equals must. Must has no past. So we always use have to to talk about past obligations. So for example, today I have to work, I must work. But yesterday, good, I had to work.
I had no choice. I had to go to work.
Let's move on to the last part of the video. That is the fifth way we can use have. That is have something done. Have plus something plus the third form of the verb. So for example, if I say, I have my windows cleaned every month. When you use the structure of have, it means that you are not the one doing that. It means that I'm not the one cleaning my windows, but I have someone else do that for me. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you liked this video, then share it with a friend so they can benefit from it too. In my next video, I am teaching you the difference between may, will, can, could.